Hello, today we are going to see how to plot a data frame using pandas. To get the code snippet, let's go to kandi.openviewer.com and start searching for pandas plot data frame row versus column. Once you hit the find button, you will get many code snippets. Now let's go by the first code snippet that we get in the results. Before going ahead, please make sure that you have Pandas library in your environment. If not, you can get the install script for Pandas by clicking on this icon. Now I have Pandas in my environment, so just I'm copying the code by clicking on this icon and pasting it into my IDE. I have pasted the code snippet into Jupyter Notebook that I have copied from the kandi. Now before running the cells, let's have a look into our code. In this line of code, we are inserting the data into a data frame. This data is basically a points scored by 3 different teams over 3 different games. And in this line, we are plotting the data frame using a bar graph. You can use any of the plot like line plot, scatter plot and many more as you wish. Now let's run this cells to get the bar graph. You can see the bar graph for our data frame.